Hong Kong's push to become a virtual asset trading hub goes far beyond allowing the start of retail trading for digital tokens. It is a huge and fast developing ecosystem that includes many other big players, including CMCC Global, which bills itself as one of Asia's first VC funds focused purely on blockchain and crypto. What made you choose Hong Kong to establish CMCC?
Well, Hong Kong has always been a financial capital of Asia, and we believe in this location. We have a strong investor base out of Hong Kong.
CMCC Global is now launching a $100 million fund that's solely focused on blockchain opportunities.
We have kind of three main verticals. The first is infrastructure, the second is fintech, and the third is consumer. And these are really kind of the verticals that are, I guess, driving the digital asset space forward and are probably the most innovative areas in the space.
A big question facing the VC sector for cryptos is whether the worst of the funding drought is over. At $100 million, how does that compare to previous funds?
So we started off very small. Our very first fund started with only $1 million US. So we're working ourselves up, I would say. For us, investment returns are more important than size at this point. A seed Series A stage fund with 100 million is probably the right size. A $300 million fund would probably potentially be too large for early stage investments.
The fund has a global mandate, but it says investor focus is shifting to Asia and away from North America.
The US is being quite negative from the regulatory perspective, and it really kind of seems to us that the US is really, shooting themselves in the foot with a machine gun, and that gives kind of a golden opportunity to other regions of the world to kind of put themselves forward and to try and attract some of the most innovative companies.
A third of all blockchain deals, equity deals, is actually coming out of Asia. This is something that many people in the West don't actually have on their radar.
As for the price of Bitcoin, CMCC says double-digit gains are well within reach, even as there's debate as to whether we've seen the end of the crypto winter.
I could see us hitting 40K this year for sure. I think longer term, in the short term there will be volatility. I can easily see us breaking all-time highs and easily breaking $100,000 for Bitcoin.
In Hong Kong, I'm Annabelle Droulers, Bloomberg News.